Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to remove activate Windows watermark. So if you already face this problem and wanted to easy solution in a quick time, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. So let's get started. Here is my computer screen and you can see that here is the activate Windows watermark logo and we wanted to remove it. Okay, to do this, first you have to click on the star icon, then type cmd and here is the command prompt. Click on the run as administrator, click on it. Yes, now you have to type a simple command code. Here is the code. I'll share the code in the video description. Okay, paste in here, then press enter. Okay, now close it. Now you have to restart your computer. Okay, we are going to restart our computer right now. Wow, we have done. Looks here, the activate Windows watermark has been removed. So I hope you understand how we have solved this problem. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify or SEO or WordPress, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.